Welcome. If you've ever opened an email in the Gmail app and wanted to come back to it later, marking it as unread can be a lifesaver. It's a simple way to remind yourself that the message still needs your attention. Today, I'm going to walk you through the updated steps to mark an email as unread in the Gmail app on your mobile device. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Make sure you're signed in and on your inbox or whichever folder holds the email you want to mark unread. The app is designed to be user-friendly, so you'll find your emails organized and easy to navigate. Next, find the email you want to mark as unread. Instead of just tapping it once to open, press and hold the email preview itself. This action will select the message, and you'll see a toolbar appear at the top of your screen. This toolbar gives you several options for managing your emails. Look closely at the top toolbar, and you should see an icon that looks like an envelope, but this one is meant for marking emails as unread. When you tap this unread icon, the email's status changes immediately. It's like you never opened it in the first place. This is perfect for keeping your inbox organized and making sure important emails don't slip through the cracks. One thing to keep in mind is that marking an email as unread doesn't send a notification to the sender. It's purely for your own tracking. So you can safely use this feature to remind yourself without worrying about notifying anyone else. That's all there is to it. With just a few taps, you can easily mark any email as unread in the Gmail app, helping you stay on top of your inbox and manage your messages more effectively. Whether it's a work email you need to revisit or a personal note you want to read later, this updated method makes it quick and hassle-free. Thanks for watching.